Before you hit that buy now button on Flyshire.shop, take a moment because what seems like a trendy online store offering cute pet toys, slow feeders, aesthetic vases, and home decor items may not be as reliable as it appears. At first glance, Flyshire.shop comes off like a legitimate e-commerce site, clean layout, decent product variety, and affordable prices. But a closer inspection reveals several troubling signs that make this store hard to trust. First off, the website is built on Misha Plaza, a platform that has become a breeding ground for scammy and fly-by-night stores. This doesn't automatically mean Flyshire.shop is a scam, but it's definitely a red flag that experienced online shoppers look out for. Then there's the lack of transparency. Nowhere on the site do they mention who runs the business. No company name, no business registration number, no physical address, and absolutely no trace of real people behind the scenes. Customer support is basically non-existent. There's no phone number you can call, no live chat for instant help, and no clear refund or return policy. If anything goes wrong with your order, it's hard to say who you'd even contact. Perhaps the most concerning detail is that many of the product images used on Flyshire.shop are not original. They've been spotted on multiple unrelated websites, which is often a sign of dropshipping or even outright image theft. This makes it difficult to know whether the products will look anything like what's advertised. Also, there's a noticeable lack of verified customer reviews, social media presence, or any real online footprint, which raises even more doubts. While there's no definitive proof this is a scam, the lack of accountability and transparency makes it a very risky choice for your money. If you're thinking about ordering from Flyshire.shop, it might be best to hold off until you see consistent, verifiable reviews from real customers, because when it comes to unknown online stores, a pretty homepage can hide a lot of ugly truths.